My name is Rebecca, and this is My Only Fresh, where I give you quick recipes to help you live a better life. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I do post videos every Tuesday, so be sure to hit the subscribe button so you get notified whenever I post a video. If you are one of my 10 subscribers, welcome back. I'm happy to see you. Today's video, I'm going to be making some turmeric shots. The turmeric root has a very strong taste, and it's more enjoyable if you just take it in a shot rather than drink a big old juice. So if you're interested in finding out how I make this wonderful, beautiful, powerful juice, stay tuned. So we still want to make sure we keep our immune system strong and keep ourselves healthy. Most of the ingredients that I'm going to be using today to make these shots are spices. So I do have the ginger root, and I'm gonna cut up a whole bag of raspberry oranges. As you can imagine, they are sweeter than regular oranges. I am going to also be putting in some cayenne pepper and black pepper. The reason why I add black pepper to this juice is because when you add just a pinch, a teaspoon of black pepper, it helps your body absorb nutrients in the turmeric better. I have come across juices that have turmeric in them that don't have black pepper, and they're still healthy. You're still gonna reap the benefits, but you're gonna get more out of your turmeric if you add that pepper because it's gonna help your body absorb it better. So all we're gonna really juice today are the oranges and the turmeric. And once I juice everything, I'll add the spices to the juice and shake it up.
Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna start by cutting up the oranges. And I do, of course, cut off all the skin because if you leave the skin on, it gives the juice a really bitter taste. You should, though, try to leave as much of the white fleshy skin as you can. There are a lot of vitamins in that part of the orange. When I picked these up at Sprouts, I was kind of curious as to why they were called raspberry oranges and not blood oranges, because that's more commonly what you hear them called. And so when I looked it up, it said that the blood oranges get their color from the same anthocyanin pigment that gives the raspberry their color. And so they just have like the same chemical compound. They are a little sweeter to me than a regular orange. They just make the juice really good. But you can use any type of orange, of course. Okay, I'm just gonna give you a little side note here. This little compost bin, I bought it as a decor. It's super cute. And in the springtime, I do like to have a little vegetable garden. So I do actually use my compost in my garden. As I'm cutting the orange, all I can think about is that little, have any of you guys ever seen that picture of the man, or like when you peel an orange and you peel it all into one piece? That's the little image I had in my mind. Now that everything's cut up, time to throw it in the juicer. The juicer that I'm using today and every day is the Hamilton Beach juicer. I do like this juicer. It was fairly inexpensive. It is easy to take apart, easy to clean, and it does really juice my produce really well. And I'm not making too much juice because these are just going to be shots that I'll take just like one shot a day, so I'm not going to make as much juice. Here I'm just measuring out the cayenne pepper and the black pepper. I only put half a teaspoon of each, and trust me when I say it kicks. And I'm using whole peppercorn, like the little grinders. So just add it in here. And then I like to mix it here and in the mason jar. So I'm just gonna stir it up, and then I like to pour it and mix it in the mason jar and shake it up really good.
Woo! Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Let me know what you guys think about this shot. It's really good in the beginning, has a little pepper kick at the end, but I'm ready to go. If you guys have any suggestions,